Hey everybody, I just want to welcome you to week 15. So this is the last week for discussions and the last quiz that we have as well. So pretty exciting stuff in that sense. Don't forget this week you guys need to do chapter 12 quiz, which is due today. So go ahead and get that done. It's also the discussion board all dealing with chapter 12 moving into adulthood. And then really the next thing to think about is if you need to do a research participation or extra credit. All of that is due May 3rd by 5 p.m., which is the Friday of Dead Week. And then if you scroll in the syllabus down to the appendix, you can see where all of that is available in terms of what is needed for research participation or extra credit as well. You can do SONA or an article summary for both the research participation and extra credit. So you still have about a week and a half to do either of those if you need to. Just make sure you get those done as the SONA system closes at 5 p.m. on Friday. And then by next week, hopefully Wednesday, I should have your papers graded and have those grades posted. And then your final exam will be available on the 5th or the 4th. I haven't decided yet. So it's a Saturday or Sunday. And then you'll have till the 8th, which is a Wednesday, to take that at finals week. It'll be very similar to your midterm, except there's a few more questions. There's 30 multiple choice questions and then 6 essay questions. So it's a little bit longer. You do have more time as well. So if you have any questions on the exam, please let me know. Or if you have any questions about the exam, let me know. You should have some study guides posted and available for you on that as well. But again, if you have any questions on that, let me know. And then the last thing, too, to keep in mind, you can get to this from your course homepage or just from your homepage on Brightspace, is to do the course evaluations, not only for this class, but other classes as well. So if you click there where it says course evaluations, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. And it will show your classes here. And you have till 5/3 to do that. So you still have 9 days to do those. And I'll show your classes here. Make sure you do those. And be as honest as you can, because the feedback on those is useful, not only for us as individual instructors, but it's also useful in where we take the courses in the future semesters. What assignments do we keep? What assignments do we alter? How do we alter our instruction? How do we alter the structure of the class? All of those things are taken into account based on the feedback that we receive in these evaluations. So I encourage you all to do that. And so far, I think only 1 or 2 people have done it. But if we can, I would say for every 30% or every 20%, we can get an extra bonus point. So you could get a total of 5 bonus points if we can get 100% of the class to respond. So let's kind of aim for that to do that. So like I said, for every 20% of the class, we'll get 1 bonus point. Everybody will get a bonus point. So at 40, you'll have 2, 60, you'll have 3, 80, you'll have 4, and then at 100%, we can have 5 bonus points given to you. So be sure to do those course evaluations and to fill those out and to provide the best possible feedback so that we can make this course the best course that we can, and so that I can improve as the instructor as well. If you guys have any questions about research participation, extra credit, course evaluations, or the exam, please send me an email and I will get back to you on those as quickly as I can. All right, you guys have a good rest of your week.